Welcome to ISOPODS on Parade. In this chapter, we'll be examining the Armadillidium Vulgare isopod. General information. This is the Armadillidium Vulgare isopod. It is also known as the potato bug, the doodle bug, the woodlouse, the roly-poly, or common pill bug. But listen to me when I say there is absolutely nothing common about these landlocked crustaceans. Just check out some of these Armadillidium Vulgare morphs for generic variations. Here's the orange figure, the Putucana, a very colorful and shiny morph but visibly smaller than other Vulgare. Here's the golden slano, a species originating from Slano, Hungary, the magic motion, a Dalmatian expression of the Armadillidium Vulgare showing yellow flecks on their carapace. And the highly yellow morph, which hobbyists can bring out themselves through selective breeding. Some interesting information about the Armadillidium Vulgare is that it is one of the few isopod species that is capable of self-thermal regulation. This means that these little dirt shrimp will actually look for that sunlight when temperatures are low, or the shade when temperatures are inversely high. Eating them in this challenge is being able to completely close itself in a protective sphere, much like an armadillo. For your information, most metazoans have circular mitochondrial DNA genomes, but the Armadillidium Vulgare have an unusual combination of both circular and linear mitochondrial DNA genomes. I'm not exactly sure what all that means either, or does, but you can be sure you're going to win at that isopod trivia contest that they hold at the International Association of Turtle Convention. And with that, let's look at mannerisms and peculiarities. Activity level. When left alone in a controlled environment, the Armadillidium Vulgare are a fairly active isopod species and will openly explore their enclosure. Life expectancy. The life expectancy of this particular isopod species can be up to 3 years. And the way these randy little land shrimp act, these guys make for some great feeder critters. Especially when they can reach sizes up to 19 millimeters or 3/4 inch in length, they become great feeders for arachnids such as tarantulas and reptiles such as horned lizards. With these fantastic traits all combined into one isopod species, it makes for the Armadillidium Vulgare one awesome part of any bioactive cleanup crew. So how much time can an iso hobbyist expect to spend on maintaining and supporting these spectacular terrestrial crustaceans? Not much. In fact, hardly any at all. No, seriously, these yard-munching land yabbies are a real breeze to take care of. Environmental necessities. As with the maintenance and care of all isopods, 4 major considerations must be examined. And they are substrate moisture level, humidity, ventilation, and temperature. First, let's look at substrate moisture level. Because of their versatile nature, Armadillidium Vulgare enjoy a 50-50 split between damp and dry. Also, make sure you have a decent-sized piece of cork bark or wood to bridge across the 2 areas so that these isopods can thermoregulate themselves. Next up, humidity level. The humidity level of this type of enclosure can easily be kept. A wide range of 25% to 60% is all that is necessary to keep these crawly critters happy. And with this range of humidity, a lot of ventilation is required. This can be easily achieved by implementing a good cross-ventilation system. When it comes to temperature, the Armadillidium Vulgare are one tough crew, and tough they are. They're able to handle 105 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius of the Arizona desert, and also be able to place themselves in a hibernated state and survive the winter of under 2 feet of snow, around 28 degrees Fahrenheit or -2 degrees Celsius. So, it is with the ruling and judgment by the Royal Society for the Appreciation of Isopods that the Armadillidium Vulgare be rated as a beginner-level isopod. Thank you for watching ISOPODS on Parade. the environment and please do not destroy the Earth. It is the only place I have to keep my stuff. Thank you, and good day.
You've been watching the Kaijuiso channel. Don't forget to hit that like button.